The mouse on the iPad is just painfully slow to use. I tried to search online what seemed to be the issue, and a lot of people are experiencing this. I tried changing the settings in the accessibility, tracker speed, pointer animation, turn off, on. I tried everything, but the issue seems to persist. When I went online to check, I realized like a lot of people are facing the same issue, so the issue is with the iPad OS itself. Apple doesn't want you to use the iPad with the mouse. It doesn't matter you have the M4, M5, M3, iPad 10 generation, iPad mini, whatever. Like, if you're planning to use it with the mouse, just forget it. It's not gonna work. Go for another tablet. Because, let's say, some people want to use the RDP connection with the Windows and use Windows remotely with the Windows app, like see here. It's gonna be painfully slow to use with the mouse, no matter which setting you change. I tried to change it to the USB mouse, tried changing the wireless mouse because I thought like latency was the problem, but it's just not it. It's the problem in the iPad itself. And Apple doesn't seem to care to fix it.